Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another alternative approach to determine the equilibrium level of income and employment with the help of the saving investment approach. Last video I have shown you the determination of equilibrium level of income and employment with aggregate demand and aggregate supply approach. So today in this video I am going to show the saving investment approach. Those who haven't gone through the previous video, please go through it so that you can able to understand this part of the video. Okay, so this saving investment approach is what? This is another alternative approach for determination of this equilibrium level of income. Going to discuss about this saving investment approach. This is an alternative approach to determine the equilibrium level of income. So for this reason, let us draw the diagram and then we are going to determine it. Now here the equilibrium level of income is determined where? Here the equilibrium level of income is determined where the planned savings is equal to planned investment. So where the planned saving equal to planned investment, there the equilibrium level of income is determined. Now let us draw the diagram to explain this. So we are drawing this x-axis and y-axis. Here we are measuring the income and output, and on the y-axis we are measuring the desired savings and investment. This is the saving curve and this is the investment curve. Saving curve will start from the negative one. Saving curve will start from the negative. Why? Because we know that when your income is zero, that time you will not save anything. Therefore, it will start from this minus. Okay, and this is II curve. Now here the planned investment is equal to planned saving at this point. So this point is the equilibrium point, and here y0 is the equilibrium level of income. Now if your income is at y1 and when your income will be at y2, so that time what we can see that we have to reduce our production and here we have to increase our production. When your level of income is y1, that time you have to reduce your production, and when your level of income is at y2, you have to increase the production. this point, that means A, B, suppose I am considering as A and B point, here S is greater than I, that means saving is greater than investment. This point S equal to I, saving equal to investment, and at this point we are considering GH, here investment is greater than savings. So this is the diagram. Now see, so if we are telling that at Y naught level of income, what will happen? Your aggregate demand equals to aggregate supply. Okay, that means this point will be your equilibrium point. Okay, this point will be your equilibrium point. Now at any other level of income, that means if your level of income is Y1 or your level of income is Y2, that means what? Here aggregate demand is not equal to aggregate supply. Only at Y naught level of income your aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. That means only at Y naught point, this is your equilibrium point. Neither Y1 is equilibrium point or nor Y2 will be your equilibrium point. Now this is income at Y1 level of income. At Y1 level of income, what will happening? Your saving is greater than investment. That means what? If your saving is greater, that means what? Your consumption will be low. If your saving is greater, your consumption will be low. Why your consumption is low? Due to higher saving. As your saving is more, so your consumption is low. Then this point, that means AB point, is the excess supply. Excess supply. Why excess supply? As because your consumption is low, that means your demand is low, so supply will be more. Now what the firm will do? The firm will reduce the production. What the firm will do? The firm will reduce the production. Now if the firm reduce the production, what will happen? Your income, output, employment will decrease. Will decrease. That is what is given by this arrow. Will decrease. Okay. Now next we'll see at Y2 level of income what will happen. See, at Y2 level of income what will happen? At Y2, investment will be greater than savings. That means your savings will be low. Now if your saving is low, what will happen? Your consumption will be more. Consumption is more as your saving is low. That means what? Here there will be excess demand. In this case there will be excess demand. So if the demand is excess, what will happen if the demand is excess? In this case your production will increase. Because of excess demand, what will happen? Your production will increase. You will try to increase the production in order to increase the supply. Okay? As because what happened? The demand is excess. So will try to increase the production. Now if the production increases, what will happen? The income, output and employment will increase. Okay, that is why it is shown by this arrow, increase. Okay, and your equilibrium point will be at y0 level. That means when your level of income is y1, that time what will happen? Your production will decrease and again it will move on to y0, and when your level of income is y2, the production will increase and again it will come to y0. Okay, so y0 will be your equilibrium level of income. In this way your income level will be determined. So this much for today's class. So please subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss out any of the video, and all the videos are very much important because chapter wise discussion and each and every problem is discussed over here. If you have any problem, you ask me on the comment box and I'll try to solve the problem by uploading a video. Thanks for watching.